Hey, what's up, BROCHIKAS? Welcome back to another video. For today, I have like a little Sephora haul for you, and I'm so excited because there's a lot of clearance makeup around 4th of July, and they are offering free shipping, and I think it's because you can't shop in stores, so I think the code is just free ship, which I think is really cool. And I don't think I've ever ordered online from Sephora before, and I get their emails all the time, and I was just very intrigued by the sale, so I had to put a little order in, but I only spent like $27. So it's a really small haul. Nonetheless, I'm very excited. So here's my box, and I wanted to show you guys what I got today. Okay, so yes, by the way, you guys are probably gonna see the same getup in another video because I just filmed a Dollar Tree haul. So yeah, I'm wearing the same thing, whatever, it's fine. But I've just been doing retail therapy, okay? You know, just sometimes we need to just treat ourselves to feel better. And you guys know that I was like down in the dumps, and everybody's been asking me how my dad is doing, and I had it in a vlog, but the vlog is not up yet, so I don't know if the vlog's gonna be up before this one, but I will tell you guys he is home from the hospital and he is doing okay. He just feels really weak, you know, like flu-like, just like super weak, but he's doing okay. He's taking his medicines, and really it's just gonna take time for him to be all the way back to normal, but he is home from the hospital, which is good news, which means it is not serious anymore, and he's just gotta take care of himself. So that has really made me feel better to know that he's feeling a little bit better. And I just, you know, we've just all been so stressed and everything's just so crazy. I've just been doing a lot of retail therapy, which I know is like, why do you shop so much? I couldn't help it. And I felt like the deals in here were like really good. So let's just get into what I bought from Sephora. First things first, I got this little mattifying H2O gel primer, and this is the Sephora brand. This was on sale for $3, and I've been getting, sorry, it's like hard to see. I've been getting super oily lately, so I wanted to try a mattifying primer. And yeah, this is just a 0.5 fluid ounce, so it's a very small amount, but still, we'll see if it works. So here's the little mattifying primer. Now the real reason I put an order was Kat Von D was like having a huge sale on all her products, so of course I had to get my hands on some. I've always loved Kat Von D. I know she's had like a lot of drama surrounding her, and like the Jeffree Star stuff, and I know there's been a lot of drama concerning her, but I used to watch her show. I think it was called High Voltage Tattoo or something like that, and I don't know, I've watched her for a long time. I've always liked her, but even if I stopped liking her as a person, I'm not gonna like not buy the makeup because I like the makeup. I've used Kat Von D makeup for a long time, but I don't have a lot of it. I used to have the foundation like years and years and years ago, and I used to have like some powders by her, but yeah, I've never tried. Oh, I did have one liquid lipstick, but yeah, so I really wanted to try the studded lipsticks, and I really liked the colors that I saw. So these are definitely darker, like vampier, but I was keeping in mind that fall is coming and Halloween is coming, and I've just been wanting to play around with makeup lately. So I got these two colors. You guys, these are originally $20 each, and I got them for $5 each. I'm so excited. So these are the Studded Kiss cream lipsticks, and I just love lipsticks better than I like liquid lipsticks. I do not like drying stuff on my lips. So I got the shade Neon and Sanctuary. So this one's a black, but I'm pretty sure it's like a black with sparkle. But like, look at just the aesthetic of this. It's just so pretty. I could not help myself. Like, I haven't bought high-end makeup in such a long time, and I just couldn't help myself with this. I mean, for $5. So I will swatch these for you guys. So this is like a black lipstick with shimmer. I wanted to just get a regular black lipstick, but they were sold out. And so it comes off kind of like charcoaly, but so much fun. Like, I definitely would wear this. Like, Having darker hair makes me fearless with makeup. But it's always nice to have a black lipstick for like Halloween. Like, you never know. You never know. And the second one was Sanctuary. And this is more of like an everyday color that I could just wear at any time. It's like a mauve-y color. Ooh, this is super pretty. It's like a gray mauve. Ooh, this is so pretty. I'm really glad I picked, this one, dude. That's so pretty. Oh, heck yes. I love that with the hair color I have. I can't even explain this color. It's like purpley, mauve-y gray. Very, very beautiful. This will definitely be like an everyday lipstick for me. Oh no, my lipsticks are sweating because it's 100 degrees here in Texas and they were in the mailbox for like an hour and a half. I was trying to keep an eye on my emails because I get email alerts when I get packages, and I didn't realize that it came. And so I was like, oh my gosh, we have to go check the mail now because my lipsticks are gonna melt. So it's kind of like sweating on the outside. Maybe I should like leave these open so they could dry, but I'll do this because I don't want it to get ruined. So yeah, careful when you order lipsticks in Texas, guys. So I'm just gonna let them dry like that, but love those lipsticks. I'm so excited to play around with these for some Instagram looks, pictures, Halloween costumes, just regular life, just being cute. I'm so excited. And I also got an eyeliner, and this was originally $20 and I got it for $10, and I am so excited to make some cute looks. Please give this a thumbs up and comment down below if you want to see a very bold, like gothy-ish makeup tutorial using these makeup pieces. But this is the Kat Von D Inkwell Liner Longwear Matte Eyeliner, and I got mine in the shade Inkwell Vampira or Vampira. And I love me some vampy looks, you guys. I love pretending that I'm a vampire. I've always wanted to be a vampire. I don't know why, but this packaging is gorgeous. Girl, look at this. Look at how just like beautiful. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. I'm so excited for this. So since I dyed my hair, I don't know if you can tell, but I've been like filling in my eyebrows to match my hair. So I've been filling them in the kind of like purpley, burgundy colors. And this is kind of like a burgundy or like vampy red eyeliner. And I feel like it would be so much fun to have like that color wing instead of just like your general black wing. Oh, that is so pretty. And the point on this is so thin. Look at how thin that is. So here's the color right up top. So yeah, and it dries instantly. Oh wow. Yeah, so it's basically like a vampy, like blood red. Like when it dries, it looks like blood, which I'm so down for because I always like to dress up like a vampire. But this packaging is just so gorgeous. The last thing I picked up from the sale was these Sephora charcoal blotting papers, and you get 100 sheets, and I got this for $4. I forget the original price, it was probably like $8. But I've been getting so oily lately, and I have no blotting papers. I haven't bought blotting papers in so long. But I wanted to keep some in my purse because even if I'm not wearing makeup, I get really shiny. And I hate just like wiping it off with my hands because your hands have so much germs on them. So here's the blotting papers. Can't hurt to have these babies. Really, all I wanted was the Kat Von D stuff, but you needed to spend a certain amount to get free samples, which we'll get into in a second. So that's why I got the mattifying primer and these sheets, but I've actually been needing these sheets. So they're just little gray charcoal blotting sheet. Oh boy. Oh, wow, look at that. Nice. Ooh. Look at the difference. So much better. I don't know what I was doing with my life, like not having blotting papers. So much better. Oh, look at this. Nasty. Okay, and then I got a bunch of like free samples, which I was like so excited about because I've never ordered from Sephora. They always offer free samples with your order, and then they have even bigger samples if you spend a certain amount of money. So I got the IT CC cream, the oil-free matte SPF 40 full coverage CC cream. I'm so excited to try this. I've actually always wanted to try their CC cream, so I was really happy that they had this. So if you spend more than $25, you get one of these samples. And I think I got mine in the shade medium, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I got mine in the shade medium, and I've been really trying to wear my SPF all the time. And that's like a pretty nice size sample. If you ask me, like this was for free. Heck yes, that's a pretty good size sample. And this has an anti-aging hydrating serum inside of it. It's a poreless finish with full coverage, SPF 40, and what else does it say? Reduces shine, controls oil for up to 12 hours. So we will definitely have to test that. Again, if you guys want me to do a makeup tutorial using these products, let me know in the comments below. And it says it's a natural matte finish. So 97% said it created smooth matte finish and 94% saw reduced shine. Clinically tested, sweat and humidity resistant. So I need that. I need that in this 105-degree Texas weather, okay guys? And they have a lot of shades to offer, which is very nice. And I'm just so excited that I get to try this for free. And the packaging is like really, really cute. We also got this Blonde Perfecting Purple shampoo for blonde, lightening, or gray hair. And I don't know why I got this because I don't have blonde hair, but the other samples I just was not interested in, so I just picked this one. And you get a pretty nice size. And I was like, could I use this even though I'm not blonde? I probably will, like, who cares? So, more blonde, less brass. Tone correcting shampoo, neutralizes brassy tones. Helps repair hair from the inside out because it has argan oil. So I just feel like I'm gonna use this anyways, even though I'm not blonde. This is the brand Moroccan Oil. And the last sample that I got was this Bulgari Rose Goldia Blossom Delight perfume sample. I wish they had more perfume samples because I just would have got like 2 perfume samples, but this was the only one they had, so hopefully it smells good. Blossom Delight. I like the packaging. This cute little pinky. Is this a... Ooh. Come on. Why is it not spraying? Oh, there we go. Oh, that smells so good. Yummy, I'm sold. Now I have to go buy a new perfume. Cool. So this is, again, Bulgari. I think that's how you say it. Bulgari Rose Goldelia Blossom Delight. It's A1, ladies. It's A1. It smells phenomenal. And that is my little mini Sephora haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you enjoy videos like this, and subscribe to my channel for more content so you won't miss a thing. And I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Perfect.